3 exercises to fix flat feet and collapsed arches. The first exercise to correct flat feet and to lift your arches involves balancing on one leg. So stand on one leg, making sure your center of gravity or your belly button is directly over the standing foot. Lift and spread the toes and then place them back down. You want to keep the ball of the foot here on the floor along with your toes. Now take your other leg and swing the leg across in front of you, anywhere for up to 30 to 60 seconds. Now what this is going to do, it's going to wake up both sides of your balance system. So as you cross the leg over to the other side, what's going to happen is muscles are going to fire up on one side. As you take it over to the other, it's going to fire up the other side. And what you're going to notice here is that your foot and ankle start to twitch left and right like this as those intrinsic muscles are adjusting and recalibrating the whole time. That's going to cause the arches of your foot to start contracting and flattening, moving and working, and that's where we get the lift. The other thing you're getting here is work in the muscles around this hip, which help to keep that hip, knee, ankle alignment and stop and prevent the pressure going onto that inside edge of the foot. Anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, and then change the legs. Again, lift those toes, spread the toes, get on the tripod of that foot, and then take the toes back down and keep that in contact as you swing that leg across. Notice what you can feel on that inner arch of the foot. Can you feel those little tiny micro movements on the bottom of your foot as they're starting to work and wake up? Again, 30 to 60 seconds here. And if you can manage it, you can do 2 more sets of those. The second exercise, again, involves single leg standing. So again, lift the toes, spread them, take them down. Make sure you're on the tripod of your foot. Take that other leg off. Now you're going to rotate and pivot on this hip joint by taking your pelvis around and then bringing it back and rotating it the other way. If you feel a little bit too unstable, you can place a fingertip on a countertop, but not your whole hand and certainly not gripping. We want to minimize the messages going to the hand and maximize the messages going down to the foot. Again, about 30 to 60 seconds, changing the legs, lift the toes. That's going to stretch the inner arch of your foot. Take it down, keep that ball of the foot down, and again, rotating your pelvis around one way and then the other. As you get better at balancing here, this is definitely my weaker side for balance, then you can take those hands away. Very important you keep the toes grounded. Now the next exercise, we're going to get a little bit more into these muscles here because the arches of your foot are stronger and they maintain their lift from the work here up in the hip. So if these muscles here are weak, it can cause your knee to drift in, and then you end up with weight down on the inner arch of the foot, and that foot becomes flat and it's not able to recover and lift. So by working this muscle here, we can realign that knee, and that rolls your foot more towards the outside edge, so you're on the tripod of the foot, and then you've got that lift here in the arch. So let's practice this exercise. Very important that we keep this part of your foot and the big toe in contact with the floor. Feet parallel. Stand nice and tall. Make sure your knees are on lock, so you've got a little soft bend in the knees. Make sure you're pressing down to the tripod of your foot, and you're going to press the knees only as far out as you can without that ball of the foot coming off the floor. Squeeze these glutes here, hold for between 5 and 10 seconds, and then bring your knees back until your legs are parallel, and again repeat taking it out. Think about pressing down through the ball of your foot here to keep it grounded. hold for 5 to 10 seconds, bring it back. And we're going to aim for between 8 and 12 of those. So from the side, it looks like this. Pressing the knees out, and you're feeling these glutes here activated. You could just take your finger, press there. You can feel those muscles switching on. Again, practice 3 sets of those for 30 to 60 seconds each time, feeling your glutes switching on. Those 3 exercises done for 5 minutes every day is not only going to lift and correct the arch of your foot, but it's going to build strength here in the hip to prevent that foot flattening again. Save this video so you can come back to it or share it with somebody that you think might benefit from fixing those flat feet.